Yo guys, before we start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on post notification and make sure to drop a like on every single video. Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tanemsko, the favorite YouTuber of your favorite YouTuber, and I'm back with another banger. As you can see, I wear glasses, and in today's video obviously I'm going to show you guys how to put on contact lenses. Because sometimes it's not every day looking nerdy and that. Sometimes you want to switch it up. You know what I'm saying? You want to look. Obviously, glasses don't. You know what I'm saying? They don't make you less cute. But trust me, most times when you take them off, you're even more cute. You know what I'm saying?
That don't make no sense.
This is how I do it. I put some tissue underneath. Then this is my right lens, and that's the left one. So yeah, that's how I do it. And even before I do that here, I wash my hands even before I touch the packaging and everything. So there's a lot of hand washing going on. Obviously, before we start this video, I want to go through the do's and don'ts if you want to wear contacts, because it's not for everyone. First thing first, always keep them in the solution. Second thing, before you touch them, make sure your hands are clean. Don't touch anything before you touch them. Only maybe like a tissue or I don't know, a towel that you keep just for that. Never ever touch your phone before you touch your contacts. Your phone got the most bacteria in it. If you after a while and you struggle putting them on, yeah, put them back in the solution. I don't even know which one they use. When they drop, throw them away. If they drop on the floor, throw them away. Always have your glasses with you just in case something happens to your contacts, and also have eye drop. Keep one of those little bad boys just in case your eyes get dry. So yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna go wash my hands. So yeah, place the contacts. See, they're transparent because mine's are prescription, innit? It's not colored, but I don't do that finish. Put them at the edge of your finger. Okay, now what I want you to do is with your middle finger, lift your upper eyelid, and then your other middle finger, take down the other one. Now, as you put in the finger lenses, tilt them a bit. Twist them a bit in your eyes, and then close your eyes. Look left, right, while your eyes are closed. Okay, that's it. Number one is in. Then middle finger. And middle finger here. And tilt it slightly. Make it rotate in your eyes and close your eyes. That's it. They're in. That's the easy way. And when you close your eyes, look left, right, left, right, left, right. Then open your eyes. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. It was your boy Tanemsko, and I'm out. Make sure you like though, and subscribe, share this shit.